Are you tired of traditional checks? Here's a quick guide on writing electronic checks for hassle-free cash outs. Many have asked about writing electronic checks. I've created this step-by-step guide for you. We'll use the Email a Check app for this process. Before we start, ensure you have the following: the Email a Check app, a funded bank log, the bank log's address from Google, and your client's name and address. This guide is for iPhone users only. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, download the Email a Check app from the App Store. Open the app and click on Register. Enter random information for your account, but ensure the email is valid. Next, check your email for the OTP code. Enter this code to verify your account. After verification, click Create a new account on your dashboard. Now, input your bank log details and the bank's address. Don't forget the routing number. Once done, click OK to add the logs to the Email a Check platform. The app will send 2 micro deposits to your logs within 2 to 3 days for verification. Once you receive the codes, go back to the app and click on Validate Account. Enter those micro deposit amounts to complete the verification. Now, it's time to write your check. Click on Write a Check, and then select Receiver. Tap Add Check Receiver. Enter your drop information: name, address, phone number, and email. The phone number will act as the password for opening the check email. Make sure to enter $5,000, as this is the maximum amount per check. Once all details are filled in, click Send. Your client will see the check in their email, ready for download. For endorsement, remember to write the full name of your client. Now, how do you cash out these electronic checks? There are 3 methods. 1. Send the check to your drop email. Your client can download it on a laptop. They can then use a mobile app to snap a picture of both sides for bank deposit. 2. If you have a premium bank card, print the check and take a picture of the front and back for deposit. 3. Alternatively, allow your drop to print the check on plain paper. They can sign the back, trim the edges, and deposit it using an ATM. To wrap it up, writing and cashing out electronic checks is straightforward with the right tools. Follow these steps, and you'll handle electronic payments like a pro. For further updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and stay informed about the latest check moves.